So far for the day, making $135, and just received notification of withdrawal from another broker on my Binance account. Yeah, withdrawal day has started already. So this is another account on another broker with what's happening here. Okay, deposit of, okay, nice. They took $1. It was 200 that I withdrew from that account. Okay, no problem. So definitely withdrawal day has started. So for the meantime, okay, it's there. All right. For the meantime, we are making $715 on this account so far since Thursday, Friday, and then today, Monday. Within almost 2 days and a half, by the end of the day, we will see what the EA shall make as profit. That's so powerful. So powerful. So at this time, I'm also doing my top-down analysis here, but gold is something else. So yeah, that's it. See ya in the evening. I will do another video.